how to review and delete large files from iCloud Drive on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, tap on your account name. Next, tap on iCloud. Then from here, tap on Drive, or you can tap on CO, and then tap on iCloud Drive. Next, tap on Manage Storage. And then we go down and tap on Review Large Files. Here, allow the phone to quickly grab all the large files and display them in the list here. After, you can review the file. So you can tap on it to review the file. You can tap on the Select button and then select any files that you want to remove. And then tap on the Delete icon at the bottom and then choose Delete File. Okay, so that's how you can review large files and delete them from your iCloud Drive storage. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.